Here is a quick overview of our boats here at the Freedom Boat Club in North Myrtle Beach. We have several picnic tables for you and your guests to use for lunch with nice views of the marina and boats. Freedom Boat Club. We own the boats you use.